Hey guys, it's Vanessa with Farm Girl Gardens and Market, and today I wanted to share a little something different with you, and that is how I use my tomato cages in the off season to decorate around the homestead. So many of us just have a plethora of tomato cages, and rather than them taking up space in my garage, what I like to do is use them for seasonal decor. Now you can always use tomato cages in different ways, whether that's creating potato towers or using them to help trellis and support young trees. But during Halloween and Christmas, I actually use them as decor. So for Halloween, I throw a couple of Dollar Tree ghosts on top of them with some netting, and I get a really cool airy effect with that. And then for Christmas, what I like to do is actually take just Dollar Tree garland. For a standard tomato cage, you'll need about 3 to 4 to get this amount of fullness. But I just flip the tomato cage upside down, zip tie the top, and then wrap it with this garland. Now I do have power out here, so I actually have some Christmas lights that I've thrown on top of it and decorated it with a little Dollar Tree star, which this year they're actually really pretty. And so if you go this year, 2019, then you can pick these guys up. But if you don't have power, or if you don't want to go through the expense of solar lights, which can be a little bit pricey, another thing that the Dollar Tree actually carries is these light up battery powered necklaces. So these are really fun for the kids, but what I actually do is when my kids are done using them, I use them to decorate the outside of my chicken coop. And if you want to use them in lieu of power, you can actually string them on your tree if you don't have access to power wherever you want to install these Christmas trees. So just to kind of show you the effect of that, I do have mine put into some pots just to give it a little bit more stability and ambiance, but you certainly don't need to. And I hope that that is just one way to kind of show you an alternate use for your tomato cages in the off season, kind of keep your husband happy by keeping them out of the garage, and just finding a sustainable way to continue to use things when you're no longer growing. So I hope that that helps and that you're well. Until next time, bye y'all.